As you saw in the video, I have a problem with crankshaft, and the only idea that came into my mind is bad idea, but I will try. I will weld this extension here. Okay, now the big question, is it still concentric after this, after first pass? Yeah! So now I will ruin this, making second pass. Oh wait, I think we have a crack. Come on, yes, we have a crack. Shit. Okay, now I will add this and we will see. After second pass and grinding, well, oh, it's hot or what? Oh, it's loose. Fuck. And everything fits. Does it work? I don't know. We will see. Now I'm fighting with the cover. A little bit of here, a little bit of there. Later chain, throttle cable here, a little of fuel inside this little tank, and screw this sprocket. And it should be ready. Ah, okay, exhaust. You don't want to burn your testicles. Always start with repairing your tools. Much better. Not great, not terrible. So, this will be more interesting. Kurwa. Look at this. I'm pretty sure this is visible side. Fuck. Job done. I think it's good enough. I could polish it, but I'm not mental. Wait, one more thing. Brake is almost ready, and almost, I mean this, but the other half is just hanging around here. But who needs brakes? Finishing touches today. I found this piece of plastic tube and it will be fuel hose today. Good luck! So, one end here, second one here, and we have fuel. This is brake pump and the brake caliper, it's fully attached. I won't show you my welds because it's hard to get there, and with TIG it's even harder. So this will be the brake pedal, and now I need to connect from this screw to this and make the pedal, of course. And maybe test drive one day. I think it's good enough. So what now? Okay, it's lower than fuel inside, so it should be good. Yes, I will cut it there and it will be done. But last good blade is here. So we have throttle. This is original from the squad, and this is our carburetor, Chinese carburetor. Okay, do we see something? Yes. And we have even full throttle. Look at this. My gosh. Oh wow, fucking hell. Okay, this is bad idea. This is very bad idea. As you saw before, it was pretty dumb what I did, so I invented something like this. This is from original starter with additional something. Oh, as you see, I can screw this off and you will see. And very important thing, this this part here must be right here. Oh, now it's okay. 22 socket, come on, 21 socket fits. And later I add something to start this, maybe with a starter, I don't know yet. Enough. Yes, this is exactly what you think it is. So this is an old starter with a cable, two cables and a bolt welded at the end. Brilliant thing. Well, okay, maybe I should try in better weather. But I think it works. Better weather and tune, definitely. See you.